Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the weekend makeover for my patio furniture. For today's project, I'm gonna be restoring all my patio furniture. Before I start the painting, I will need to clean up the chair and the table, and I will have to sand down using the steel brush and remove all the dust and rust of it. And after your sanding preparation, make sure you clean up everything and remove the possible dirt of it. Now I'm going to start my painting, and I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum for steel, and I'm using the satin white finish. There's a lot of different brand or different finish of your options, but this is the one that I wanted to use because of the finish, and I don't like the rough ones and it's hurting my skin. Quick tip for you guys, you might want to put a plastic protection for your flooring because of the spray dust will get stuck or it will paint your floors. But obviously I did not put one because I'm trying to hurry up because it's 116 degrees right now in Las Vegas and it's so hot. After the color paint, I'm gonna spray the satin clear enamel for extra protection of it. On these patio furnitures, I have total of 6 chairs and 1 round table, and I used a total of 5 large cans of spray paint and 1 clear satin enamel. The large satin paint cost $4.48 each, and the clear satin one cost $4.38 each. I will add the direct link on the description below for the specific item that I got. So I finished it yesterday. Now it's so hot. I can't start or continue because it's too hot. But look, it's really good. It's like pretty much new. So later this afternoon I'm gonna continue working on this. I'm gonna paint that one, the table, later when it's not too hot anymore. And then at the meantime, I have a couple of chairs that missing the thing for the seat, so I'm gonna customizing it and add like a rope or something to put on. I have 2 of that. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. See you again next time for another weekend makeover. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye.